Route replaces messy clipboard notes and unorganized pieces of paper. Create a digitized version of your walkthrough data with an easy-to-use mobile app. Take crystal-clear notes on the fly. Record every detail about a client's space. Capture dimensions, floor types, hot points, and photos for every area. Exceed client expectations with a perfect portrait of the client's space using Route's Walkthrough Builder. Share your walkthrough with your team or access your notes with the Route web app from any computer. Creating polished and customized proposals is no longer tedious and time-consuming with Route's Proposal Generator. Create and preview your proposal in real time with a live preview on your screen. Stand out by adding the client's logo, service charges with flexible text options, and service frequency using drop-down options and checkboxes. Accelerate your process and inspire prospects to choose you using Route's proposal templates. Import your walkthrough areas, tasks, photos, and notes, along with your company's standard legal verbiage to generate a complete service agreement and scope of work with one click. Add any additional applicable terms and save your proposal. Share the document with your team or convert it to a PDF file to easily send it to your client. Start closing more deals with personalized professional proposals. Route also provides the tools needed for scheduling, assigning, and managing special service jobs. Route workflows provide full job transparency. Assign custom tasks tailored for the job, track employee clock-ins, attach before and after photos, and share job details to your team. Check the status of jobs anywhere and anytime. Confirm completed jobs with photos, timestamps, and notes.